Explore WordPress, the leading platform for website creation. Ideal for beginners, it provides the tools and flexibility needed to craft anything from personal blogs to business sites. This presentation will delve into its global impact, open source benefits, and why major brands trust it for their digital presence. WordPress commands a 39% global market share, powering over 1/3 of all websites by 2025. With 455 million active sites, it's trusted by major brands like Google and the New York Times. As 100% open source, it offers limitless customization and scalability, serving everyone from bloggers to enterprises without licensing fees. WordPress is a free, open-source content management system maintained by a global community. Its intuitive interface allows anyone to create and manage professional websites without coding skills. Initially a blogging tool, it has evolved into a versatile website builder, catering to diverse needs with unlimited potential. WordPress began in 2003, launched by Matt Mullenweg and Mike Little as a fork of B2/Cafelog. By 2005 to 2010, it evolved into a full content management system with plugins and themes. The 2015 to 2020 era saw the introduction of the REST API and Gutenberg editor, revolutionizing content creation. By 2025, it powers 39% of websites, driven by a global community. WordPress.com offers a hosted service with quick setup, ideal for casual bloggers seeking simplicity. However, customization is limited. In contrast, WordPress.org provides self-hosted software, granting complete control and unlimited customization. It requires managing your own hosting, but is perfect for those aiming for growth and monetization. For beginners seeking control, WordPress.org is recommended. WordPress offers dynamic content through posts, ideal for blogs, and static pages for essential information. Themes allow complete control over site aesthetics, with thousands of free and premium options available. Plugins enhance functionality, enabling features like search engine optimization, electronic commerce, and security, often with minimal effort, making WordPress a versatile platform for any website. The WordPress ecosystem thrives on a global community of developers, designers, and users who collaborate through forums, meetups, and WordCamps. Regular updates ensure security and feature enhancements. With a plethora of themes and plugins, both free and premium, and extensive learning resources, WordPress remains accessible and adaptable for all users. WordPress operates through two main components: the Content Management Application, CMA, and the Content Delivery Application, CDA. The Content Management Application allows you to create and organize content using the block editor, while the Content Delivery Application displays this content to visitors. User roles include administrator, editor, author, and contributor, each with specific permissions for managing content. Begin by selecting a reliable hosting provider such as Bluehost, SiteGround, or WP Engine. Your domain name serves as your website's address. Many hosts offer one-click WordPress installation. Use auto-installers like Softaculous for quick deployment, or manually upload files via file transfer protocol for more control. Access your dashboard at yoursite.com/wp-admin with your credentials. In your WordPress dashboard, hover over posts and click Add New to open the editor. Use the Gutenberg block editor to add text, images, videos, and more by clicking the plus icon. Save drafts, preview, and publish when ready. Organize posts with categories and tags for easy navigation. Select a theme by navigating to Appearance greater than Themes. Browse and activate your choice. Open the customizer under Appearance greater than Customize to adjust colors, typography, and layouts in real time. Brand your site by uploading a logo, writing a tagline, and configuring homepage settings. Each theme offers unique options, allowing experimentation without losing content. To enhance your WordPress site, navigate to Plugins greater than Add New. Search by name or function, click Install Now, then Activate. Configure settings via its menu or under Settings. Essential plugins include Yoast SEO for optimization, Contact Form 7 for form management, and WooCommerce for e-commerce capabilities. WordPress offers unmatched flexibility, allowing you to create anything from personal blogs to complex web applications. It's cost-effective, with free software and affordable hosting. Additionally, WordPress is search engine optimization friendly by design, featuring clean code and mobile responsiveness, with plugins like Yoast, search engine optimization enhancing your site's visibility and attracting more visitors. Mastering WordPress requires time due to its extensive features, but tutorials and communities offer guidance. Security is crucial. Regular updates and security plugins are necessary. With over 60,000 plugins, compatibility issues may arise. Research and test plugins on a staging site to ensure smooth operation. Proper planning and community support make these challenges manageable. WordPress empowers you to create without limits, fostering a global community of support and innovation. Embrace the journey of continuous learning and growth. Start building your online presence today. Your story deserves to be shared with the world. The possibilities are endless.